Hello Fun student of class 10th. In this video we will discuss further our syllabus. So let's start. Further we will discuss economic development. That is, what is economic development? So economic development is a narrow concept, not broad, as it includes only monetary aspect. Monetary aspect means something which is related to money, and it includes only quantitative growth. Quantitative growth means which you can measure it. This is known as economic development. Number 2 is your human development. What does it mean? Human development is a broader concept. Like in economic development, it's a narrower concept, and human development is broader concept, as it includes monetary and non-monetary aspect both. It includes quantitative and qualitative aspects both. Human development is the core idea. Human development is the core idea vested in this form of development. That is, overall crux of the human development is what? Is the human development. The basic feature of this concept of human development is that it puts people at the center of all concern. Putting people in the center of your concern, not other thing but people. It is basically a human-centered approach, you can say it, which is related to the human-centered approach to development, and it focuses on the qualitative improvement of human life. This is your human development. So I think you have understood this topic, human development, and you will be able to distinguish it from economic development. That is what is your human development. Next is your national development. What is it? National development is the ability of a country. Now, national development is something related to the country. So far we are discussing with relation with the human being. Now come to the national development. That is, national development is the ability of a country to improve the social, economic and political welfare of the people. So national development is concerned with these terms like social well-being of the citizen, economic and political welfare of people of that country. So now next topic is your component of human development. What does it include? It includes 3 important indicators. What is it? Health, on which it is depend, life expectancy at birth. It is depend on health. Next is your education. What does it contain? Literacy rate and combined enrollment ratio of both girls and boys. Next is your real per capita income. So this is your component of human development. As you develop health, as you develop education, as you develop real per capita income, this includes your component of human development. Like if you improve these 3 parameters, then human development will improve. So this is your component of human development. So let's take it one by one. What is human development and what is human development index? HDI. It is known as HDI, human development index. So what is it? Let's take it. This index studies the basic human capabilities which include education, health and real per capita income. This kind of thing it includes. Now we will discuss more about human development index in the next video. So thank you students, thank you very much.